Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best compression travel cubes is probably one of the most underrated yet game-changing travel accessories you can buy, especially if you're someone who struggles with packing efficiently and wants to maximize the space in your luggage. Imagine effortlessly fitting twice as many clothes into your suitcase, keeping your garments organized, wrinkle-free, and easily accessible throughout your trip, all without the usual hassle of overstuffed bags and last-minute repacking. These ingenious cubes utilize a secondary zipper to compress your clothing, significantly reducing their volume and transforming your packing experience from a chore into a breeze, making them an essential tool for any traveler seeking smarter, more organized journeys. Number 5. BAGAIL 8-Set Packing Cubes, Blush Pink. Crafted from smooth and durable fabric, these packing cubes keep your clothes protected from wrinkles and stains. Their high-performance, water-repellent feature ensures your belongings stay safe from spills and wear and tear during your travels. The lightweight fabric stores clothes neatly without adding extra weight to your luggage. With a double-way zipper and a mesh top panel, you can easily identify your items and keep them fresh. Effortlessly organize your clothes with multiple sizes and colors, saving you time and making the most of your luggage space. No more misplacing items or fumbling through your bags. These organizers fit perfectly into various suitcase sizes and can even be used in carry-on bags, backpacks, or duffel bags. They are ideal for family trips, business travel, camping, and more. Streamline your packing and enjoy easy access to your belongings. These cubes maximize your travel comfort by efficiently sorting and organizing everything you need. What we like. This set offers premium, durable fabric that is also water-repellent, protecting your clothes from spills and stains. If you're looking for a reliable option that keeps your belongings safe and organized, this is a great choice. It's ideal for travelers who want peace of mind regarding the condition of their clothes. What people say. The fabric feels durable, the zippers work smoothly, and the mesh top makes it easy to see what's inside without digging through everything. They really help keep my suitcase organized, especially when traveling with family. Separating clothes by category or by person makes unpacking and repacking so much easier. The set includes a great variety of sizes, which makes it easy to separate clothes, undergarments, toiletries, and accessories. Everything stays organized, easy to find, and neatly compressed inside the suitcase. Number 4. Travel Large Packing Cubes, 5PC Luggage Organizer Bags. Tired of digging through your suitcase? These large organizers make sorting and finding your belongings incredibly simple. This set includes 5 spacious cubes to keep everything in place. Keep your clothing neatly grouped and reduce rummaging through your luggage. You can easily separate items by day, outfit, or even by family member for ultimate convenience. Never unpack your entire suitcase just to find one item again. The convenient mesh top allows you to quickly see what's inside, making packing and accessing your things a breeze. Unpacking is a breeze when you can simply place these organizers directly into your hotel drawers. They are perfect for maximizing your suitcase space through smart organization. Crafted from ultra-lightweight and flexible fabric, these cubes add virtually no extra bulk to your luggage. You can easily redistribute weight by moving them between bags as needed. What we like. These are generously sized for those who need ample space for their clothing. The translucent fabric and mesh top make it incredibly easy to see what's inside without rummaging. If you prefer larger organizers and value quick identification of your items, these are perfect for you. What people say. The bags work well to help keep kids' clothes organized but all in one suitcase. Love the large size and the compatibility. They are different color sizes which makes it great for organization. I was able to fit 6 long-sleeved shirts and 2 pairs of pants in one, all my shorts in another with room to spare, sweaters and sweatshirts in a third, and short-sleeved and sleeveless tops in the fourth. 2 small cubes held all my undergarments, socks, and bathing suits. The other 2 had my personal care items. The ability to plop these things in a hotel room dresser drawer, not unpack them, and dip into them daily to get clothing I need makes managing packing and unpacking so much more efficient. And they've worn beautifully. It's more than 3 years later and I still endorse them heartily. I travel 12 to 15 weeks per year, mostly internationally. Number 3. Aerotrunk Compression Packing Cubes. Tired of messy suitcases? Our packing cubes help you organize your belongings efficiently, making packing and unpacking a breeze. Simply place them in your drawers or closet when you arrive. Want to bring more on your next trip? These compression cubes utilize a double zipper design to give you up to 50% more packing space. You can now pack all your essentials and more. Keep your clothes looking their best. Our compression packing cubes help reduce garment wrinkles, ensuring you look sharp for your vacation or business trip. Crafted with durable nylon twill and breathable mesh, these travel cubes are made to endure. The top mesh panel lets you see contents at a glance, saving you time. Whether it's a backpack, carry-on, or checked luggage, these cubes are designed to fit perfectly. Choose the set size that best suits your travel needs. What we like. This option is designed to help you pack significantly more by compressing your clothes. It offers up to 50% additional packing space, which is fantastic for longer trips or if you tend to overpack. If you're aiming to fit more into your luggage and keep your clothes looking neat, these compression cubes are the way to go. What people say. These cubes are a game changer for packing. They compress your clothes down significantly, saving a ton of space in your luggage. The material is durable and the zippers are high quality, making them easy to open and close even when fully packed. I love how organized my suitcase stays with these cubes. It's easy to find what I need without rummaging through everything. Number 2. Gonex Compression Packing Cubes. Tired of overstuffed luggage? These innovative packing cubes feature a compression zipper that removes air, saving you up to 30% more space. Pack more without the hassle. Crafted from high-density, water-repellent fabric with smooth zippers, these organizers are built to last. They are incredibly durable yet lightweight, perfect for all your travels. This set includes 4 different sizes to fit all your packing needs, whether it's a weekend getaway, a carry-on, or a large suitcase. You'll always have the right size. Keep your belongings neatly organized and easily accessible. The unique patterns help you quickly identify the right bag, so no more digging through your luggage. From family vacations and business trips to camping adventures and everyday storage, these cubes are your ideal travel companion. They simplify packing for any scenario. What we like. These cubes offer a smart compression system to save up to 30% more space in your luggage. They are made from durable, water-repellent fabric and come in a set of 4 different sizes to suit various needs. If you need to maximize your packing capacity and keep items neatly organized, especially for diverse trip lengths, these are an excellent selection. What people say. The zippers are really solid and sturdy, and you are able to cram a bunch into one cube and compression is super easy to achieve. The sizes are spot on for keeping things separated appropriately, dresses, skirts, and pants in one, tops in another, etc. Everything was nice and neat and organized. On the way home we were inspected at customs and even received a compliment that we were so organized coming home when most just pile the dirty clothes in a bunch. Number 1. Shacke Packing Cubes 5 Set. This 5-piece travel packing organizer includes 4 cubes in various sizes and a laundry bag. They all have a uniform depth for stackable organization and fit perfectly into your luggage. These are built to last with heavy-duty zippers that open smoothly and reinforce stitching. The water-resistant fabric protects your clothes, and the materials are certified safe. Keep your clothes organized and wrinkle-free with these structured compartments. The breathable mesh tops let you see what you need without unpacking everything. Assign categories to each cube for a repeatable packing routine. The laundry bag keeps worn clothes separate, making it ideal for any type of trip. These cubes eliminate the need for separate organizers. They offer faster access and better organization than traditional packing methods, keeping items fresh. What we like. This set provides a complete packing solution, including 4 structured packing cubes and a dedicated laundry bag. The uniform depth allows for neat, stackable organization, and the water-resistant nylon protects your items. If you appreciate having a designated place for dirty laundry and prefer highly organized, structured packing, this set is ideal for you. What people say. The cubes are sturdy, lightweight, and make packing so much more organized. The zippers glide smoothly, and the mesh tops make it easy to see what's inside without opening everything. The dimensions of each packing cube are just about perfect. There are 4 cubes in the pack, small, medium, large and extra large. All fit nice. Best part, wrinkles were minimal. Zippers and stitching are top quality. Each set I've bought has held up well during multiple trips. The zippers are solid as are the top handles. Packing cubes help stay organized, And my family of 4 each have our own color if we check a larger suitcase and combine our luggage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.